One thing in this household I cannot get away with is calling a pie if it isn't fully encased. What would you say a pie is if it's just got like a...
It's a casserole with a lid, isn't it?
So we're doing proper chicken pie. Grease a pie dish and line it with your short crust pastry. Prick over the base, and then we're going to blind bake this in an oven at 200 degrees for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I've diced up 4 chicken breasts and I'm getting them nice and golden in a pan. Decant them and do the same with 4 slices of bacon. Then taking all those oils from the meat, we're going to sweat off 1 onion and 1 fennel bulb thinly sliced. Once soft, deglaze the pan with 100 ml of white wine. Then we're going to add back the meats with a tablespoon of flour, which is going to help keep our filling nice and thick. 150 ml of creme fraiche, a dollop of whole grain mustard, and 100 ml of chicken stock. Season up, and then it's in with freshly chopped parsley before adding into our pie case. Lay over your short crust lid, crimping and sealing the sides and brushing on some egg wash to help it turn golden. You can even get decorative if you want to. Do a little illustration. I don't know, how creative are you? Show me! Oh no, seriously though, if you do ever cook any of my recipes, please share them with me. I love seeing them. Just going to go back into our preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes until the crust is golden brown. Serve it up with a dollop of mash and, oh, thank you, I'll have that any day of the week.
That is fit just for you.